I'm gonna make me like her. So my first, not for free. First step is foundation. Even if you're Asian, you need to put some yellow foundation on because yellow foundation's giving tanning vibes. You know, all the Victoria's Secret's bombshell makeup is very tanned. It's very like, girl just come back from her vacation. You don't need to do heavy makeup on because you also need to thinking about your skin as well. Like heavy foundations, really bad for your skin. I use a lot of like expensive beauty tool, but I kind of realize hands, finger is the best. So today I'm gonna do very minimalized so everyone can follow this makeup. Because sometimes when I watch makeup tutorial video, I was like, I don't have that, I don't have that too, I don't have that too. I was like, okay, technically I can't follow that. I don't want to do that to my subscribers. So I'm gonna just very minimize. Fuck. The second step is concealer. You know, concealer has to be brighter than foundation because I'm gonna use it as a highlighter. So only specific part. And next step is contouring. Girls, in this makeup, contouring is most important. My chin bones, like this. And then, gonna do my nose. I love button small nose, so I'm gonna do a little bit, a lot, never too much. Under my lips, upper lips, and what? Here. 인중. Generally think Kylie Jenner, she needs this. And then, they always bombshell like their face so look like, right? We can't work out right now, right? So I'm gonna make it. Just suck at it. This. I just lost 5 kilograms. Not, be for real. Be for real. I just lost 5 kilos. And my eyes. My nose. It looks just so natural. And when I have like, and I'm gonna blending with my brush, like big brush for more easier. I believe I can fly, can touch the sky. And definitely your chin as well. Bring a small brush, just blending. But when you contour your nose or your specific area, just don't go too far. Because make them darker is the point. And grab your tint, whatever you use. But I recommend kind of nude pink color. And just, you know, on your hands. And put here. Like put here. So if you use like a liquid type, your skin looks like more like glowing. So your skin looks more like, oh, she has a good skin. And next step is very bright concealer and tiny brush. Make it brighter here to like here. Under my eyebrow, like this. this, and my nose, and here as well. Powder, my favorite part. So satisfying. Under my eyes, it's so good. And you know what, you need to keep this shape until you finish your makeup, like this. And definitely do your eyebrow here as well. Just put overall. I'm gonna use like brownish. Put all over your eyes. And my next step is eyeliner. I love this type eyeliner because it stays forever. I'm just gonna start with my back and definitely cat eyes. Corner. And here. And I'm gonna cover by powder type, because if you put powder on, it's more easy to draw and you stay even more longer. And same gel liner. Literally just do like this. Now I'm gonna do under my eyes. Black eyeshadow on the top. Kind of connect. Eye makeup hasn't been finished, but I'm gonna do my eyebrow now. Bombshell eyebrow is like very long, kind of like have an edgy, and then this part has to be very close, so you'll look like more gorgeous. I'm gonna put a little bit dark color on the end, and also I'm gonna do this, which is eyebrow mascara. It's nothing color, it's just about eyebrow hair. Well, I'm a Mona Lisa, but even Mona Lisa needs eyebrow mascara. Most important part, lashes. Lashes on it, but don't choose too much, too strong, too long lashes. It's not Betty makeup, it's bombshell makeup. And I'm gonna remove my powder out. You also need to follow your line, like this. And then a little bit overall. And let's keep more point on our eyes. So I'm gonna use dark brown to the end. And also another tips, maybe my Western girl can skip this part, but I'm an Asian, so I'm gonna make 애교살. 안녕하세요. 감사합니다. And of course I need a smudging. And let's put more eyeshadow on it. Dark brown color on here. And same as the other side as well. And I'm also gonna fill up my 애교살 too with this color. And another important part, like inner corner of my eyes. Girl. Like this. And I also want to use like glitter because we all need it. Look at it. Look at it. The fuck, it looks so good. We need to do your nose. can just use your finger. An eyeball. Not eyeball. What's they call this area? Dunkoku. Let me do my nose shading a little bit more on this color. And here. And now my nose looks so small. The other side. Before and after. It looks just... And I'm gonna connect to under my eyes. I'm gonna use 3 types of blush. I'm sorry, I didn't use all of it because blush is my favorite time. So this color, so bright pink, love it. Only inner corner of my face. So it's like actually I can use it as a highlighter. It just on. And the main blush is MAC gorgeous color on my cheekbones and also follow this way. Oh my gosh. And I'm gonna do my nose as well. This color is more pink. Just a little bit. And then I'm gonna put highlighter on my cheekbones. Girls, this one. This one. Please, go buy it. Look at it. This color is insane in person. Maybe you can't notice in here, but it's amazing, amazing in person. Like, not gonna lie, a lot of girls ask, what highlighter did you use? What highlighter did you use? Like I said, clear girl. From Korea. Proud of it. And let me do my lip combo time. Oh, I said that for free. Back then, our sister didn't use like dark lip liner. They just use like pinky vibes. So I'm gonna follow that way too. Do my upper lips. And here as well. And I'm gonna use this lip tint as well for more color. Only gonna use the middle part. And smudging. And let me put some lip gloss. Most is girls, you can't skip this part. This is just like amazing. And another step, I'm gonna do a little bit cheeky. Marilyn Monroe. What you gonna say? Marilyn Monroe. And makeup is done. Thank you for watching today, and I hope you like this makeup video. If you like it, I'm gonna make another one for you guys. So, what we need to say, see you in the next video.